Today we're going to make glazed carrots. We start by cutting carrots into pieces about an inch or inch and a half long. You can use any type of carrot, baby carrots, full-grown carrots. You can even split big carrot. Put your carrots in a bowl and set it aside. Then we need 4 tablespoons of butter in our hot pan. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add 2 more tablespoons of honey. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of molasses. Stir it up a little bit till it's blended. Then we're going to add our carrots. Then we're going to add a half cup of water. You may need more later, depending on how thick your carrots are. I had to add more. Then we add, in this case, a half a teaspoon of optional garlic. And we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we just let it cook and stir it occasionally after that. And you're going to cook it until they're fork tender.